This 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 261BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 10, oven, refrigerator, skylight, water heater, microwave, Colorado detector, stove top burner, smoke detector, awning, external shower, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front kitchen, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 261BH is 6,078 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.